Hey friends, so welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Tamara. So for today's video, I'm actually starting a new segment called Things That I Have That Just Make Sense for my lifestyle. And so I'm introducing you guys to Jasion e-bikes today, which I am super excited because your girl could have used this a long time ago. Prior to owning this e-bike, I took my travel trailer on a glamping trip, but the road getting there was worse than expected. Fortunately, I was able to find a spot to park it before going in further, but not before causing minor damage to my stabilizer jacks. You see, it leans over to the left, and now I have to place a block underneath it and use my foot to help guide it up. Hashtag lessons were learned. So I've been traveling on the road full-time now for a little over 3 years. I started my travels off in my self-converted short bus named Domino, and she has taken me to some crazy places. So with Domino's clearance, I've been able to drive on the side of a mountain, looking down at like water and everything. So now that I have this new setup with Sister, it kind of makes sense to have an e-bike. So my Jasion e-bike is actually foldable, so it is great. I can put it in the back of Tia, which is my Jeep, and then once I get to a destination where it's kind of iffy, I can pull that baby out and then drive up and down the terrain, up the road, and just make sure that it's safe for the trailer to go. So let's go ahead and get into this e-bike. But first, we actually have to put it together. So let's go ahead and do that. The EB7 was easy to assemble. I think it took longer removing the zip ties and the protective layering than it did putting the bike together. But you know what? I wasn't mad at it because it arrived in beautiful condition. It came with an instruction manual with pictures, and it took about 30 minutes to put it all together. So here's some footage so you know I did it. But this is it, y'all. Now it's time to charge it, which it took about 4.5 hours. Here's the key to turn it on and the monitor that shows how fast you're going, plus what mode you're driving in. You have your horn, headlights, and pedal assist buttons over here, and then there's this, the thing that makes you go forward. Just don't do that. Oh gosh, that's how you brake. A look at these beautiful fat tires. This will make driving on rough terrain a little smoother and less bumpy. There's also the cute little light in the back, and now it's time for me to ride an e-bike for the first time, like ever. When I got on, I wanted to just pedal and play with the buttons and drive, but the pedal assist was already on and I just took off. After a few presses, I was able to slow down the pedal assist and then really enjoy the ride. How do I make it not? Oh. How do I make it? That was so crazy. It's like real tears. Oh my gosh. So I was literally just trying to like pedal first, but it has the pedal assist on it, and I'm being honest, y'all, this literally is like my first attempt. I wanted to see how easy you know, it was to just pull it out the box and just do it yourself. Like, it's cold, it's like 23 degrees right now, but it's sunny. And literally we don't have much sun and non-rain here in Virginia at the moment. So like, yeah, I wanted to just pull it out the box and like try it out. But I'm pedaling, y'all, and then the pedal assist kicked in. And so I'm just like, oh my gosh. But that was so much fun. Oh my gosh. So I'm about to get back on this thing and drive it around a bit, because I feel like a kid again. That was just so crazy. And it was just so much fun. So yeah, I'm gonna get back on it. Now let's get into some fun details. Fully charged, you can go about 45 miles in distance with the pedal assist. On my trip, I made it up to 15 miles per hour, but you can go up to 25 miles per hour on this baby. And it has 4 different working modes, with one being booster mode for those uphill trips. That was so much fun. Hey, Achilles. What you doing out here, buddy? Hey. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Now, in the beginning, you heard me mention it was foldable. Once moving the pedals out the way, it was an easy fold. It weighs 59.5 pounds, but make sure you take out that beautiful removable battery before you go lifting it up like She-Hulk. And there you have it, my friends. If you're interested in checking out this Jasion EB7 Foldable E-bike, use the link in the video description below and get $20 off your order. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. See you next time.